Hello everyone, I am Akriti. Welcome back to my channel. I always try to put up with an energetic intro, but today I just woke up and feel like filming. So yeah, good morning you guys. As per the title, today I am going to share with you all how I did my face shift for more clean, smooth and flawless looking skin. Let's start with the first step by using face wash. Here I am using Aroma Magic's Neem and Tea Tree Face Wash, which controls acne and helps with oil balancing. It also makes my skin feel so clean and glowy. Here is my favorite fluffy hairband which I bought from Miniso. I like it so much cause it just instantly makes me feel so cute. Now this is Good Vibes Rose Hip Hydration Face Gel which I am going to use for friction free and smooth shave. Also it smells exactly like roses. Here is a before clip of my skin. As you can see some facial hair. So I'll start by applying the gel all over one of my cheeks and try to slightly glide the facial razor very gently and carefully. By the way, I bought this razor in a pack of 3 from Miniso again. I am doing this so slow. Also, I am wiping off the waste in a tissue behind. This is my after result. Time for my second cheek. Now this is for the first time ever I am doing this. I have seen some beauty bloggers doing this but never been so courageous enough to do this. But now I feel it's not that difficult. You just need to be careful and a bit patientful while performing this. Now I will move on to my upper lips and chin area. Again I applied the gel and slightly glides up the razor over my skin. Now I will move on to my favorite part, eyebrows. And while doing eyebrows, you need to be the most careful, else you are gonna ruin your whole face look in seconds. Also, I noticed this was difficult cause I have to hold the mirror in my hand to have the closer look of my skin, and I was not able to stretch my skin with my other hand for a better shaving. But I really enjoyed the process of doing my eyebrows shaved myself. This is my after results. Now this is before. Let's move on to forehead facial hair. I prefer doing this only in case of emergency, else I will be more fine and satisfied going for salons. I wash my face with just water and now I can feel my skin so soft and smooth than before. Lastly, I am going to finish this process by applying this almond facial oil by Good Vibes again to seal the moisture and brightness locked in back together. Now bye guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on my Instagram.